Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a little bit more help if you were getting stuck on this elapsed time worksheet. So I went and I put the first two problems up here. So we have the start time at 4:20 and the end at 7:33, and we're trying to find out how much time has passed. So first we need to think about, well, how would we figure this out? Okay, well, if I know I started at this time and I end here, I want to know what time is that in the middle of it. So for that, I have to use subtraction. So we're going to go ahead and this will be the top number. So we have 7 hours and 33 minutes. We're minusing 4 hours and 20 minutes. All right, so let's look at this. We're going to start over here. So we have a tens and a ones column here for the minutes and the seconds, right? So we'll do this, the minutes for the 10 minutes and the 1 minutes, not seconds, sorry. So the 10 minutes and the 1 minutes column. So for my 1 minutes column, I have 3 and I'm minusing 0. Okay, so that would leave me 3 still in that column. And then I'm moving into the tens column. So I have 3 tens minus 2 tens, which would leave me 1 10. All right, so that's 13 minutes. All right. And then for this, I have 7 hours minus 4 hours, which I know would leave me 3. So I have 3 hours and 13 minutes has elapsed for my first question. And remember, that was using subtraction. All right, now for my second one, I am missing the start time. So I know when it's ended, and I know how much time has passed. So what do I need to do? What's the operation I need to do this if I'm looking for the start time? Would I add the hour and 20 minutes to 11:40? If I was adding it, it would give me a bigger number, and I know I don't want that because I started before this, so I'm gonna have to use subtraction again. So I have my 11:40, and I'm going to minus 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I know 0 minus 0 is 0, and if I have 4 tens and 2 tens, well, 4 minus 2 is 2, so that leaves me with 2 tens left, so that leaves me 20 minutes, and 11 hours minus 1 hour would leave me with 10, so my start time must be 10 and 20. All right, now some of the problems though, they're wanting you to find the end time, and we're gonna actually have to use a different operation if we're looking for the end time. So let's just take this same problem and let's work it the other way. If we needed to find out what the end time was, well, I have my 10 to 20, and I know an hour and 20 minutes has passed. I'm not going to subtract because I needed a bigger time. We're moving forward in time. So for this one, I'm going to have my 20 minutes plus 20 minutes, which is 40 minutes, and then 10 hours plus 1 hour is going to be 11. All right, now, where this gets tricky is when we're looking at things that are going to go over minutes into another hour, because it's not working with hundreds when we're working with time. Remember, our top thing is going to be 60. There's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. So let's say it's not on the I don't think it's on the sheet, but let's just make a new problem. If I have my start time is 1:59, and my time elapsed is 2 hours and 3 minutes, and I want to know the end time. This is where it could maybe get a little bit trickier. So 1:59 plus 2:03. Okay. Well, 9 plus 3, so 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm gonna take that 10 here and I'm putting it up here. So then I have 10 plus 1 10 plus 5 tens equals 6 tens. Uh-oh. So now I have 62. Can I just carry on and add the hours? Well, I have more than an hour right here that I have to deal with first. So I know that there are 60 minutes in an hour. So let's take this 60 minutes here, and we're gonna carry it into the hour column. So I'm gonna take that 60 minutes and I'm gonna take it and turn it into an hour over here. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. And 2 minutes. So you really have to make sure that you're being careful for those, the minutes there, right, with the 60 there. Your ones column, you know, you're not going to worry. You can go ahead and you can carry that over into the tens column. But once you get into the tens column for your hour time, for your minute time rather, and it turns into a 60, you know that you're going to have to push that into the hours because more than 60 minutes, that's an hour. All right, I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them, and either I or maybe one of your classmates will answer that. Thank you.